Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna talk about this furreal puppy. You can tell that it's really soft. Also, it came in this box. My daughter loves it, and in this box you can tell that you can feed him. It makes sounds, and it also poops. So it's really interesting how it was made. It came with these little cookies. You can have 9 of them. And this little bag is a Ziploc bag, so you can just save them and don't lose them. Okay, the only thing is that you need 2 batteries. It's the AAA, and they don't come with it. So just so you can be aware of that. I hope you like it and keep on watching. It's in his stomach.
His stomach? Why? Why his stomach?
Is he pooping? Oh my god, he's pooping a lot.
Now let's eat from this one, and then we're gonna take a look at how to go eating, how did it last on for the stomach.
Does he bite?
Yes. No.
He doesn't bite.
It's slowly having little. Like this. Rock him like that. Because he's real soft. You're my best friend, puppy? Yes, you're my best friend. He's my best friend, my puppy.
I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.